5, ¿ok? Suscriban y denle like. Y dale like a la campanita que queda ahí a la izquierda, ¿viste? No te veas.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, I loaded up the boat, put it on the trailer, and headed north to West Palm Beach to visit Peanut Island. Peanut Island was created back in 1918. Originally, it was called Inlet Island since it sits directly in front of the Palm Beach Inlet that I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen videos of. It was later called Peanut Island because it was going to be a planned peanut oil shipping operation, but that ended up failing back in 1946. Another cool fact about Peanut Island is in there on the island, they had made a blast shelter built in secret for John F. Kennedy. The bunker was destroyed back in 2017, but it is a cool fun fact. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Hope you guys enjoy it. After about an hour and a half drive, I got to Curry Park. One thing I noticed straight off the bat about this park is it's nothing like Miami here in West Palm Beach. It was a beautiful Saturday, about 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and it was so nice and calm to just be able to launch your boat with no problem or no hustle and bustle. All right, guys, we made it here to Peanut Island. It was literally a 5-minute ride over here, super close to the marina. Now we're gonna catch up with our friends that got a spot waiting for us. See them over there. On days like today, that I had friends already at the beach waiting for me, it makes it virtually impossible for you to have any problems anchoring up, because all you have to do is throw them the back anchor and they can pretty much guide you all the way into the spot that you want to be at. Shout out to the boys for giving me a hand. Alrighty, we made it here to Peanut Island. It made it super easy to land and anchor up here without an issue. And it's beautiful. A lot of people can come here not only by boat, you can come here also by ferry. Or you can just come off the shore in a kayak and make it right over. But this is really, really, really nice here. Ever find anything cool?
Yeah, just a dime.
A dime?
Yeah, it looks like it's a silver dime.
A silver dime?
Yeah, it's a silver dime.
That's a nice dime.
Right? Yep.
Well, from where? It looks old.
Yeah, it's old. Probably 1960 something.
Oh, that's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, silver. Yeah, a lot of trash usually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That's the part. That's the part that I hate about it. People leave all their trash and all the stuff here at the.
Oh yeah, everyone dumps their trash, so it's a hobby and I clean up the environment at the same time. You know?
That's good. What's your name?
Tito.
Tito. Not only does he clean up the beach, he finds a lot of cool stuff. What's your Instagram, man?
It's iTito, Tito_E.
All right. What kind of stuff can people see on that?
All kinds of stuff. Cars, flying. I practice flying. I'm a real estate investor.
Nice.
I'm a firefighter, paramedic.
Wow. So you can see a little bit of everything if you check out of the. That's what's up, man. Thank you for helping out, man. Cleaning up the beach, man. That helps a lot. Thank you.
You guys have a good one.
You too. Got another boat coming in. After settling in, me and my brother decided to walk over to these rock breakwaters that also work as artificial reef. They sit on the east side and they have a bunch of marine life in them. Guys, look, my favorite type of fish. Put in the water. Let's see the teeth. Let's see the teeth on it. She goes to get a little fish with it. Teeth on that thing.
Espero que todo el mundo se sienta así, feliz, papi, mami. Hoy
Para que ustedes sepan, papi, aquí directamente de Florida, de West Palm Beach.
Estamos aquí con el duro.
Oíste, con el duro. Y
con Miami Living
asegúrense,
305, mi gente.
Miami Living 305, ¿ok?
Suscriban y denle like, mi
Y dale
gente.
like a la campanita que queda ahí a la izquierda,
Allá,
¿oíste? No te
allá.
dejes, ahí a la izquierda.
Chefeño, mira lo que estamos aquí.
Estamos aquí haciendo un churrasquito, un
Maritierra.
zorro.
En Peanut Island, guys. En Peanut Island. Look, hasta lobster, guys. Lobster.
Uy,
Yeah,
Maritierra.
look at that. La salida ahí, ¿veis? Hey.
Cuéntame, ¿cuándo fue que tú compraste tu bote?
El año pasado, bro.
¿El año pasado?
En el 2020, antes de the virus came to
Ok.
joder todo.
Mira, ¿qué es lo que te apasiona del agua?
Bro, out here, esto es lo mejor, estar aquí con la familia, esto, además de lo que cuesta venir en el bote, ya cuando está aquí esto vale $1.000.000. Esto
Ya el
aquí
bote
es
se
el
pagó.
view, el bote ya se va poco a poco,
¿Seguro?
se compra un poco de jama y se viene aquí a vacilar, bro. Esto es places that you can't go in your car.
¿Y qué consejo tú le puedes dar a estas personas que dicen que los botes salen costosos, de que los botes no valen la pena? ¿Qué tú le puedes decir a ellos?
A mí no vale la pena manejar un Mercedes.
Exacto, ahí está.
A lo mejor puedes manejar un Camry, pero no puedes tener un botecito.
¡Agua para los gallos! ¡Agua para los gallos!
Yo no
Y mira,
chequeo,
con amigos, suerte.
ninguno aquí hemos chequeado el teléfono el día entero hoy.
No
Ni
sé.
sabemos que existe. Que llamen y que dejen un voicemail.
Exactamente. No te preocupes que yo te
No
respondo
me llames
después.
que yo te llamo cuando sea.
¡Ay, Luli! Pero ellos ganan más porque tienen un chef como yo aquí. ¿Tú lo ves? ¿Tú ves? ¿Tú ves? Y así con esa lateo.
Este hombre le ha dado jama a todo el mundo aquí hoy. A todo el mundo.
La isla entera.
Todos los alimentos a todos aquí. ¿Sabes?
Todo el mundo estamos aquí que los conocimos por YouTube. De una manera u otra, todo es por YouTube. Yo, antes de conocerlos a ellos, todos los amigos que yo tengo de la edad mía, ninguno tiene bote o le interesa este tipo de vida. Y mira, ha conocido una pila de gente que le gusta hacer lo mismo que yo hago, venir para acá los fines de semana. Yo iba a ir para Los Cayos y me dijo mi amigo, oye, voy para Peanut Island. I was like, where's Peanut Island? Vamos para allá.
Ya sabe el hombre.
Y la pasamos mucho mejor en grupo.
Exacto. Y siempre hay algo que descubrir. En el mar siempre hay algo que descubrir.
En el viaje de los callos va y para allá vamos con el
Y vamos
hombre.
para
Vamos
allá.
callos.
Uno vamos para acá y después vamos para el sur.
Exacto.
Pero eso es lo de que es el punto de tener el bote, tienes opciones. Puedes irte para aquí, puedes irte para allá. Eso en un carro no se puede hacer.
Pero lo más importante, sigue Miami Live 305, papi. Suscríbete, que tú vas a ver lo que hay, papi. Síguelo, que tú verás cómo es la vida en el mar. Te va a gustar. Dale.
Para nosotros. Respiramos bien.
Exposed. I got you on
Cut
video.
that off. That's what I was telling my brother.
Yeah, the flow.
Guys, I wanted to take a second to ask you guys for a quick favor. Please, if you enjoyed this video so far, hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up button.
All these people are waiting for the ferry.
Believe it or not. This is the line for the ferry. You know, I'm not a line waiter, bro. I would never wait for the line. I'd literally sit here until the whole line is done, and I'll be the last person they take back.
Probably. Let's check out the bathrooms. I see a lot of people that switch into dry clothes. No more than 3 juveniles are permitted per adult. Oh, damn. I guess I don't want this shit to become an orgy here. Do not wash clothes, dishes in the restroom. There's some Cuban shit right here. Refunds will not be given when camping privileges are revoked for not complying with the park rules. If you get kicked out, you're out. Let's check out the bathroom. Let's see what the bathroom's like. It's a public place. Oh yes. What the hell is that? Why they got a bar here? Is this a bathroom or a jail? I think this is a bathroom and a jail. Bro, look at this. Just look at him. That's a jail. I saw it. How about we start asking people $20 and we'll give them a ride across. Shit. Let's make our gas money.
Shit, why not?
I'll be like, I'm gonna scream right now. 5 people, a quick shortcut on my boat right there. $20 a head. You think people will come?
I would.
I would too, bro. $100 gets me home an hour earlier. They say time is money.
An hour, yeah, bro. This line looks longer than an hour.
Let's ask the people in the front how long have they been in. Like, this is where I was flying over. And this is where John F. Kennedy's bunker used to be.
It's a badass tent.
This is the camping area, I guess. 'Cause all the tents are here. Oh, they rent like by slot. It's pretty cool. I've never been into camping or camped myself, but this looks something like I would do. And it's a nice breeze here too.
Yeah. And at nighttime too, it must be even better.
At nighttime, I'll be worried about the bugs.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Before ending the day, I had to at least go out once through the Palm Beach Inlet, which you guys know sometimes gets really rough. But on a day like today, it was actually pretty smooth and not bad at all.
All right, guys, it's been a beautiful day. We had a great time. It was a beautiful, peaceful Island day. Chasing Reef is heading out with us. Stayed with us till the very end. Now it's time to head back to the marina and call it a day.